Dear students, now we have to discuss about the physical properties of non-metals. First property, what that will going to say. Now, non-metals are either solid or gaseous except bromine. The non-metals, most of the non-metals are maybe in the solid state or in the gaseous state except bromine, means the bromine is a non-metal but that is in the liquid state. Next property, non-metal iodine is lustrous. Lustrous means already we know, that is shining property. The non-metal, first of all, the non-metals are except the iodine not lustrous in the character. The iodine is lustrous in the character as like the metals. Carbon is a non-metal, exists in the different form. The carbon is also one of the non-metal present in the different form. How like each form is called allotrope. The carbon is present in a different forms, this type of the different forms of the carbon, and each carbon its form is called allotrope, like that we will going to call. Fourth property, what that will going to say is, the diamond is allotrope of carbon, have high melting and the boiling point. Already I told, the carbon is present in the different forms and each form is called allotrope, like that already I told. And like that the carbon is also present in the form of the diamond. This is allotrope of the carbon. So this have the high melting point. High melting point means need the so much of the heat to become the liquid state. And the boiling point means this need the so much of the heat to boil. Fifth property, graphite is also allotrope of the carbon. How like the diamond, no? Like that the graphite is also allotrope of the carbon and is a good conductor of the electricity, means that will conduct the electricity. Some non-metals have the low density and a low melting point. Not all non-metals. Some non-metals have low density and low melting point. Low melting point means need the less heat to become the liquid state. Non-metals when dissolved in water produce the acidic oxides. When we will going to dissolve the non-metals into the water, what type of the oxides they are producing, and these type of the oxides in the form of the acidic nature. These all are the physical properties of the non-metals.